Welcome back, Marv.
Thank you.
You know, we are still in that Medicare annual enrollment period. So tell us again how many months we have until...
Till December 7th is the last day of annual enrollment.
Great. And this is really, of course, the most important time for you, because I think it's important for our viewers to know that there are always changes really period to period, aren't there?
There are. This year is very interesting because, in fact, there's one company and plan that's completely leaving the industry. So there's a lot of people who are just kind of left and they're having to re-explore what their options are. Maybe they've been with that option for a lot of years, happy, but that's not going to be an option for them next year. So we're there to help guide them into the right fit for the coming year.
Yes, and we talked about how important it is to really have a professional help you, because it is overwhelming, especially if you're new into Medicare. And as you said, the options are so vast.
There are so many options, and this is what confuses people. And the greatest mistake a lot of people make is they just choose an option because their neighbor or their friend is on that. It's working well for them, but it may not work well for everybody. So it's important to get information and clarity.
Yeah, and let's talk about how you really do customize or individualize for each client what will work best for them.
Sure. Well, we're all about transparency, so it's good to work with many companies so that we can find out what their objectives and needs are. And that way we can fit the right plan for their needs, budget, doctors, prescription, all of that, and really bring information and clarity, guidance to them, so when they make a decision, they know it's the best possible decision for them. Healthcare can be real expensive in retirement, and so you don't want to make, mistakes that could be costly.
And with those options, you really have a variety of payment plans too, right?
There are payments from zero to to hundreds a month. So then there's co-pays and what you might be paying for, especially prescriptions and things like that. We start with the most expensive items, and the most important, they're medical.
Yes.
And then there's the ancillary, the extras that could help them, and we just kind of help them sort through all that Medicare maze and find the right options for them.
Well, we want to make sure everyone knows December 7th is the cutoff.
That's
so,
right.
Marv, tell them where they can go to meet you and get more information.
Well, the best way is probably just to go to healthbridgeinsurance.com, and then they can see our videos and information there, and just call us from that number.
Well, as always, thank you so much. Until December 7th, you're the guy we need to talk to.
All right, thanks. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
All right.